Do you know how companies advertise illegally banned products? Hey learners, I am Dr. Nitin Saxena from Learn.Learnistan, and we explain management concept in just 2 minutes. Today we will learn about surrogate advertising. Before we start, quickly subscribe and press the bell icon. It will notify you whenever I will upload the video on Facebook, Instagram or YouTube. Surrogate means to substitute. Surrogate advertising is used to promote illegally banned products like cigarettes, alcohol in the disguise of another product. Surrogate advertising duplicates the brand image of one product to promote the another product of the same brand. Consumers often associate such advertisements with the corresponding banned products. The products are thus indirectly advertised. This in turn would influence the behavior of the audience. Surrogate advertising basically works just to remind the consumers about the brand. Some drawbacks of surrogate advertising is that it does not add new customers. It is also tough to connect with the brand personality, ideology and positioning, though it is not impossible. Bagpiper was probably the first brand to adopt surrogate advertising by creating Bagpiper soda. Other examples are Blender's Pride Fashion Tour, Red and White Bravery Awards, Bacardi Blast Music CDs, Carlsberg Club's glasses, and the famous Divided by Teams, United by Kingfisher. So hey learners, if you have enjoyed the video, do like and share it with your friends. It is a random act of kindness. Thank you for watching the video.